in today's video we're going to be applying some boiled linseed oil to the pickup. Why is it every time I start filming, some f***er with a lawnmower just thinks, oh, okay, so as you... Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be applying some boiled linseed oil. I put up a post on Instagram a few weeks ago saying that I wanted to protect the patina. And I have a small inkling that I think someone has clear coated this before, because you can see how it's like been dripping and it's like the clear coat has ran. It just doesn't look good. I don't think you should do clear coat on patina anyway, but anyway, there are certain brands out there like Poppy's Patina, Sweet Patina with the patina sauce. I've been in touch with a couple of companies. They might be sending me some stuff in the future, who knows, but for the time being, everybody seems to be recommending boiled linseed oil, which is for wood really, but it works on patina apparently. So, and this truck has got a lot of surface rust, as you'll see, and I'm going to be applying this today. Wish me luck. So I've actually got an old bath towel that I'm going to be using to wipe down, and as you can see, the rust, or the surface rust, isn't just on the outside, it's also on the inside, in the rain tray, underneath the hood. I like the rat look, or the patina look. It's kind of cool. It's very different here. Anyway, let's get cracking. I should say as well, I have washed the truck prior to doing this, so... What are you doing? You're flicking water at me. Oh, sorry. What? Let me just give you this. Wait a minute. Yep. Real mature, mate. Yep. Why you gotta be like that, man? Why? F you. I'm just gonna do like a sample here, because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So, I mean, it's probably gonna be just fine, isn't it? Don't know how much you should use. I have watched a few videos on YouTube. Some people mix like some like mineral oil or something with it as well. For today, I'm just gonna put this on like that. I'm just gonna leave that for a couple of minutes and check on it in a minute. So it hasn't reacted badly. It's a bit yellow. Maybe it's always been like that, I don't know. Still very rough in terms of texture. Let's just do the whole hood first and just see what that's like. Okay. I mean, it has given it a really nice waxy shine to it. Okay, now to do the rest of the truck. As you can see, it looks like this truck has had some sort of topper on the back at some point in its life. See? I hope it was a gem top. If anybody's used this before, please let me know in the comments below. Like, how much should you use? If anybody's had any really good results or really bad results, let me know in the comments below. So there we go guys, that's how much I used. I kind of went a bit overboard with it just because I do that. I don't know how many times a year you're supposed to coat it. I've heard 2 times a year. I smell like rotten tea bags, if that's the thing. So I did a before and after test, so I'm going to pour some water on the hood. So if you can see any difference there, I don't know. The main reason why I'm doing this is to protect the truck itself. I don't want any rot. So there we go. Let me know in the comments below if you've done this same thing with boiled linseed oil, or if you've done it with something else and got some really good results. I think it'd be good if we all went into the comment section and started a discussion about the best procedures, the best products, and how to do it, when to do it, why to do it, etc. Comment below guys, let's get a discussion on the go. As always, if you enjoyed this video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is spray painting the wheels silver. So originally they were silver, someone painted them black, so I'm going to paint them silver as it's quite a budget friendly thing to do. As you guys know, I'm on a budget, I don't have loads of money, and obviously I will be lowering it at some stage in its life, but money is an issue right now, so I'm going to be doing the cheap things first and then more expensive things later. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.